If you need to recover your Farmers and Merchants bank account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the recovery process, collect all necessary information related to your account. This includes your account number, social security number, and any identification documents that may be required. Step 2. Contact customer service. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly, scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may include providing personal information or answering questions about your account history. Step 4. Request alternative recovery options. Ask the customer service representative for alternative methods to recover your account. They may offer options such as sending a recovery code via text message or providing a temporary password. Step 5. Follow instructions. Once you receive the recovery options, carefully follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative. This may involve resetting your password or updating your account information. After completing these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Farmers and Merchants bank account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again for further assistance.